This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is absolutely adorable with a great location in the heart of Ardmore. It boasts a fabulous floor plan with so many updates. The spacious great room has a lovely fireplace and is adjacent to the dining room. An updated kitchen affords premium Bertazzoni appliances, a gas range, a pantry, solid surface counters, a farm sink, and a charming butler's pantry. The upper level was added for the 4th bedroom, which could be used as the primary bedroom, bath, and bonus room, all with vinyl plank flooring. You can find the other 3 bedrooms, bath, and laundry on the main level. Updates include HVAC throughout, renovated kitchen, updated electrical and plumbing, new light fixtures and ceiling fans, new blinds in all rooms, and beautifully refinished hardwoods. The roof is recent, and the vinyl exterior was installed approximately 2008. The rocking chair front porch with a ceiling fan is a perfect place to relax, plus a side porch and a great backyard.